First, head over to Hugging Face. Ready to launch your own application? Let's walk through setting up your space on Hugging Face and click that New button to create a new space. You'll be the owner. Give it a clear name. Let's go with Voice Clone TTS. You can add a short description and pick a license. I'll choose MIT for this one. Next, you'll see the Select Space SDK option. We're going to choose Docker. This is a great choice because it lets your code run locally on your machine exactly the same way it runs in the cloud. For the Docker template, I'll select blank because I prefer building my own custom workflow, though remember, there are plenty of others available like Streamlit, Jupyter, and Livebook. Now for the hardware, I'll pick Basic. It's free to start, and if you ever need more power later on, you can easily switch it up. You'll see a section for a storage bucket next. This is where you can mount data to your space. You can name your bucket and decide if it should be public or private. You can set the mount path, it defaults to /data, and choose your access mode, like read-only or read and write. Since this is a public space, there is a warning about mounting data, so for this walkthrough, I'm actually going to skip the bucket mount for now. You can choose whether it's public or private, depending on your needs. All set, click Create a Space. Once that's done, you have a repository you can clone just like you would on GitHub. Add your files, and there you go. Your application is ready. Hugging Face even gives you a custom domain ending in .space where you can see your work in action. Now, if you need to talk to your space from the outside, you'll need a token. Go to your profile and you can jump straight to the settings by adding /tokens at the end of the URL. Click Create New Token, name it Model Server, and make sure to select the Read and Write tab. That's crucial because you'll want to access the API and write data. Click Create Token and keep that code safe. It's your key to the castle. To see your space in action, just go back to your profile. Click on your space and you'll see it building. Once the build is successful, you'll see that wonderful message. The server is running. If you ever need to dive into the code, the Files tab is just like GitHub. The Community tab is your hub for pull requests and updates. And remember, the Settings tab is your control center. You can modify the configurations you made during setup even after your space is live. And that's it. Your app is officially up and running. Great work today.